And now, the special presentation.
Today's episode, the bird seat. Carmen's committed another crime. This time, they zapped Zimbabwe. But this morning, Wonder took off with it, brings back home, and then bust up for good. They've ripped off the goods. Now chase down those hoods.
This is
Poop
Party. Let's meet today's contestants. A computer consultant from Trophy Club, Texas,
Kevin Warren.
an operations manager, Newington, Connecticut,
Vanessa Chambers.
and a school instructor from Chicago, Illinois.
Brian Bocantuzo.
And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Trebek.
All right. Thank you, Johnny.
Thanks very much. Hi, guys. How are you? And as always, all of our answers have been verified by... Thank you. Okay, Chief, let's go.
Alex.
Thanks, Chief. Okay, Gumshoes. Sorry, guys. You want to go outside? Want to go outside? Come on, boy. Go outside.
Alex.
Come here to my office. Be right back. Wintergreen. But I'm convinced. Listen! We're going to be able to...
Listen to the sound of a whole lot of road. In apple cinnamon Cheerios. Hey! Listen to the sound of a whole lot of road. Apple cinnamon Cheerios. Listen.
Rockapella, ladies and gentlemen, if you would please. Yeah!
The White Mountains.
The White Mountains. So it's time that we pick up the tree. Whoa! Noni, where are you?
Now I better get back to my job before I blow my computer.
Thanks, Noni. Okay, guys, name the Chinese province. Vanessa, how much did you risk?
I risked 20. I asked this a Fujian.
Fujian. Okay, sorry, that's not the right answer either. So that means, Vanessa, you're going on to the next round. Do it. If you catch her, then you're going to be able to get a trip.
Here's a list of places Carmen may have traveled.
Alex.
Let's go to the map. Feel good. All right.
You know what this is about, right?
Yes.
You and a parent are now going to Mexico. Right here, buddy. There's one more thing I want you to do, though. You know what it is?
Diet Poop.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world premiere of a great new soft drink. The world premiere of Diet
Poop.
Introducing Diet
Poop.
You're gonna drink it just for the stuff. Introducing Diet
Poop.
This is the one from
YouTube Poop.
Pickle the taste with just no calorie. Just for the
Just for the
Diet
Poop.